Hello everyone. Today I am here to talk about of your eye problems during this increased screen time in this pandemic. I am a Dr. Dhit Shah from Shankar Foundation Eye Hospital, Visakhapatnam. In this pandemic, we all are facing so many problems, standing together with each other. Apart from COVID itself, we are facing some problems like financial crisis in family, global recession, increased psychiatric illnesses, loss of academics in of our young students. One of the problem like this we are facing in OPD right now is that we are getting so much complaints like itching, burning, dryness from the patients, mainly from the software engineer background, teachers, student attending online classes, and mainly from the parents of young children who are attending their school on the online. So as an ophthalmologist, it is our duty that we have to aware the people about this problem and we have to guide them in the right direction that how to prevent this problem. So for that I will start with giving you with simple example that why there is a need of taking extra care of your eye right now. I will start with giving you a simple example. Imagine you are the boss and all of your body organs are your employee. So suppose if you want to take some extra work from your employee, you have to give some extra benefit for that employee too. Like here we are taking extra work from our eye, we have to give some extra benefit. Like in employee we will increase the salary of that employee. Likewise here we will increase the nutrition of our eye. We will increase the free time, holidays of that employee. Likewise here we will increase the rest time of our eye. So now let's focus on mainly 2 points. One, at a time of you are on the screen, and second is on other time of day, how to take care of your eye. At the time you are sitting on the screen, you have to mainly focus on two things. First, you have to prevent dryness, and second, it is training. To prevent dryness, you have to focus on mainly 3 things. Your sitting position is first. Your sitting position, your back should be straight. Your neck should not be bending so much forward. Your screen should be at your eye level or somewhat below at your eye level. And the distance from your eye to your screen should be minimum of your one hand. Then you have to take care of second thing is there should be no fan wind or AC wind directly on your eye. Third thing is blinking. Your blinking should be enough. Blinking is somewhat complicated. It is coming from your relaxed mind only. It is directly connected to your mind. So for frequent blinking and enough blinking, your mind should be at relaxed positions. So for that you can try before starting your work or study 5 minutes deep breathing or meditation for relaxation of your mind. Second is prevent straining. To prevent straining of your eye, at every minimum 30 minutes, at least one break required for 5 minutes. The main question is what to do in that 5 minutes. I will advise get a glass of water and get yourself hydrated first. Hydration is important. Start slow music, close your eyes and listen to the music. Or you can walk in the outside balcony or terrace. But most important thing is do not touch your phone or screen or do not do any near work at that 5 minute times. Second important thing to prevent straining is glare. The light in your room can cause glare on your screen. You have to prevent, and for that you have to take care that no light should be coming from the behind that will cause screen glare. After preventing all the problems while you are on the screen, we will see what we can do on other time of the day. Two things you have to focus: nutrition and exercise. Nutrition like cow's milk, cow's ghee, carrot, spinach, trifla, lemon and orange. I will advise you to make a habit to include one or two of this item in your daily routine. In exercise part, I will like to advise outdoor activities mainly in the morning sun, and you can also try Kapalbhati and Sitali Pranayam in the morning time. Meditation and breathing exercise which are also very helpful in the morning time. In night time, after completing all your screen work, you can go for 5 minutes on the terrace for sky gazing, which will be very helpful before sleep. After doing all the recommended things, if you are feeling any problem in your eye like watering, itching, rubbing, straining of your eye or headache, please consult your nearest doctor, eye doctor immediately. All these measures I have advised you are not for decreasing your eyeglasses power. This is for preventive measures only. Thank you.